Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose kicking off with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and tuning into my channel. Now let's get into this video. Now today I'm coming at you guys with a job from this website called MultiPlan. It's the name of the company, and the job role for this company will be a dispute resolution specialist and some work from home position. Now the job summary for this company goes as this. This role manages an arbitration caseload, including evaluation of provider disputes and appropriate client payment offers. The incumbent will coordinate efforts with the team and leadership to bring matters to efficient and successful outcomes. The incumbent's primary responsibility will be responding to oversee and manage the intake, processing, and coordination of all materials and information relating independent dispute resolution (IDR) as regulated by federal and state law. Job roles and responsibilities for this job as being a dispute resolution specialist goes as this: prepare written analysis of disputed provider health plan positions and persuasively document arguments supporting client positions in arbitration packages pursuant to federal regulations. Conduct due diligence, online research, portal, and application research to assist with data analysis and preparation of arbitration packages. Works with other departments to develop or obtain information necessary for the submission of IDR packages. Review and analyze clinical information along with documents submitted by providers of moderate to high complexity. Meet federal filing deadlines and turnaround times. Respond timely to all electronic, written, and verbal communication skills. Log information derived from written and verbal communication. Maintain detailed and accurate records. Outreach to client for data needed for arbitration packages. Maintain department productivity and quality standards. Sensitivity to privacy in accordance with HIPAA guidelines. Collaborate, coordinate, and communicate across disciplines and departments. Ensure compliance with HIPAA regulations and requirements. Demonstrate company's core competencies and values held within the position. Responsibilities outlined above are in no way to be confused or misconstrued as all encompassing. Other duties, responsibilities, and qualifications may be required and or assigned as necessary. Now, this is for all Colorado residents. Equal pay for equal work Act. The following salary range is provided solely for applicants living in Colorado: $43,000 to $45,000 per year. If an applicant does not live in Colorado, this salary rate may not apply. Specific offers take into account a candidate's education, experience, and skills, as well as the candidate work location and internal equity. This position is also eligible for health insurance, 401k plan, and bonus opportunity. And these are the job requirements for this job position as being a dispute resolution specialist. It goes as this: education, experience, and training. Minimum high school diploma or equivalent GED and 2 years experience in healthcare operations. A bachelor's degree in a related field is preferred, plus 2 years experience in healthcare operations. Excellent organizational, analytical, and independent decision-making skills. Demonstrated problem-solving skills with the ability to manage multiple priorities and meet associate timelines. associated timelines, ability to anticipate needs and solve problems proactively in a fast-paced, rapidly changing environment, sound business judgment, ability to learn quickly and work independently within time constraints, adept knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and Outlook, logic, clear and concise written and verbal communication skills. Independent individual in this position must be able to work a standard office environment, which requires sitting and viewing monitors for extended periods of time, operating standard office equipment as such as, but not limited to, a keyboard, copier, and telephone. This company, MultiPlan, is an equal opportunity employer. The company will provide equal consideration to all employees and job candidates without regards to sex, age, race, marital status, sexual orientation, religion, national origin, citizenship status, physical or mental disability, political affiliation, service in the armed forces of the United States, or any other characteristics protected by federal, state, or local law. Now, if it sounds like this is a job that you would like to get into, you can apply at the link that I'm going to place down in the description box below. And just keep your eyes on the prize, finish the application, and stay focused, and don't let nobody knock you off your pedestal, because you got this. Like and subscribe and comment down below if you are new to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for joining again, and I will see you guys back on another video. Keep shining my diamonds. You all got this. See you in the next one. Bye.